So what's up guys, it's me once again, King Christopher Padrid, and welcome to my YouTube channel, Tender KC. And yeah, welcome to Campana, Argentina. So we are here for discharging operation of our cargo, iron ore pellets. So since I have a time, I'm gonna share with you about this voyage planning, how to make a route plan, waypoint, legs, how to avoid no-go areas for the safe voyage of your vessel. Okay, so as we all know that in voyage planning, we have 4 stages. Okay, so first stage is what we call the appraisal, gathering the data. So meaning to say, you have to collect and assess all the relevant information that is required for your intended voyage. So here in our vessel, we have 3 options in order for you to create or to prepare for your passage plan. So number 1, we have this ALRS6 or the Admiralty list of radio signals that you can see in computer. So ALRS6 is provides an information in all aspect of this maritime radio communications, and also helping the bridge crew team to manage communications, and also to comply with the reporting regulations throughout the voyage. So that's the first option. So the second option, we have this guide to port entry. This publication, so I'm gonna share with you. So this guide to port entry, we have 2 types. So guide to port entry have a 4 volume. So volume 1 and 2 is text, and 3 and 4 would be the plans. So the difference between the text and this plans of guide to port entry is that text, meaning to say a very systematic description. It's just a text. You can see the information regarding for this pilotage, anchorage, garbage waste disposal, and other relevant information that is here in the publications of the GPE or Guide to Port Entry. So while this plans, Guide to Port Entry, you can see on this inside of this book the yellow pages that having this diagram or blueprint, or let's say an image of this port, their mooring arrangement, this comprehensive berth to berth guide. Okay, so I'm gonna share with you this example here, this example of this plans. You can see the blueprint. Actually, this book consists of yellow pages, so this will be the grayscale one. Okay, so you have an idea now. The guide to port entry have a 2 parts, the text and the plans. Okay, so in Admiralty list of radio signals, I forgot to show with you this what I obtained on this Admiralty list of radio signals. So you can see there the name of the port, the general services, the contact details of the pilotage, the hours, the procedure. For example, here the procedure, pilotage is compulsory for vessels over 200 gross tonnage. Vessels should send ETA to the pilot station 1 hour in advance, and pilot boards in the following positions. So with the help of this Admiralty list of radio signals, as what I said to you earlier, this in all aspect of this maritime radio communication. So you have this contact details, contact information for the said port or for your intended voyage. So we have also this position or the coordinates, the latitude, longitude. So you can input the position in electronic chart display information system or ECDIS for you to know your point A and point B for your passage planning. Okay, so this would be the ALRS. Okay, so this is the different. So first option, in order for you to create a route plan, and the second one is guide to port entry plans, and also this text, guide to port entry also. But in volume 1, okay, the text, as you can see, A to J, Albania to Jordan, and this volume 2, after J, K, Kenya to Yemen. So same true with this guide to port entry plans. So Albania to Jordan, and the volume 4 is Kenya to Yemen. So take note, volume 1 on the text A to J, and volume 2 is K to Y. So you have an idea now. So if your instructor or teacher asks you how many volumes of the Guide to Port Entry, so you can say 4 volumes, and there's a different with the text and the plans. Okay, so I will put a overlay here in the video, this how to create a route plan. So for you have an idea now in order for you to create this passage planning and how to avoid these no-go areas for your safe passage. So the second stage would be the planning. So in planning, as we all know, approving, okay, or developing this passage plan. This is based on the outcome of your appraisal of what I said to you earlier, these requirements, the Guide to Port Entry, and also the ALRS or the Admiralty List of Radio Signal 6. And the third is what we call this execution. So in execution, briefing the bridge stream, which is navigating the ship in accordance with your passage planning right after the second stage. So the last stage is what we call the monitoring. So checking the progress of your vessel against the passage plan.
Once you have a copy or information that you obtain in Admiralty List of radio signals from point A to point B, proceed to ECDIS. And then, once you get there, change the monitoring into plan. And then, click the plan, then proceed to route create. So as you can see on the waypoint information, you can edit the position based on the intended port you selected. Once you input the necessary waypoint information, click create route. And then suddenly you can encounter this orange continuous line. Drag it going to white space or what we call the safety depth. Right click to insert waypoint, dragging down. Make sure that you avoid this big letter X. So big letter X means that would be the no-go areas, because that would be the military apparel, cannon, or something that is related to war. And there's an indication there, a prompt. So if you are sure with your waypoint, you can click OK. Same process. What you need to do is to dragging down into safety depth area for you to be able of having this safe passage. Once you completed the waypoint, what you need to do is to route check or click the route check to monitor your waypoint information. So the green means all of your waypoint are in safe area. So make sure your cross-track distance is based on the safety management system of your company. So since we are in coastal navigation, so 0.5 nautical miles is applicable. So what you need to do is to edit the cross-track distance. Once you input the waypoint information and you proceed for checking, and there's a cause special area, what you need to do is to edit again and modify your waypoint in order for you to have a safe passage. So once you edit, once in a while, proceed to route check. So as you can see, our waypoint information or voyage information is in good passage condition. So we can sail it free and no distractions.
What's up?